Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the SoftSoap Luminous Oils macadamia oil and peony body wash, and this is just the 15 fluid ounces, 443 milliliter, and yeah, getting started on this body wash. For any of you guys who is a fan of SoftSoap the way I am a fan of SoftSoap, you know that SoftSoap definitely has some good products. They're very inexpensive. 1, 2, their products have really good quality, and 3, yeah, like they're just all around good products. Like I definitely would suggest these to anybody who asks, like, should I get them? Like definitely yes, like definitely such a good product. But just getting into it, I recently decided that I wanted to switch my body wash, and I was thinking about it for a long time. Body wash that I was using before, I don't know if you guys ever have these feelings like you just want to switch it up and do something different, but I recently was like, you know what, like I need a change in my life. I definitely need a new body wash. And so I was going around and I was like going through Walmart, and I was just like looking through the aisles, and I probably spend so much time at Walmart, it's ridiculous at this point, but I was definitely looking through the aisles and looking at the different like body washes and everything like that, and I ended up stumbling across this. So I definitely am a big fan of SoftSoap's hand soap, like hand washing soap that I use to wash my hands with when I go to the bathroom, but I've never tried any of their body washes before. So I was like, you know what, like I'm such a big fan, like I definitely want to try this. So I ended up trying it, guys, and I really fell in love, just not only because of how well it works, but just because of like the quality and also the price of it. So like I said before, guys, this is a very inexpensive product. One thing that I realize a lot with SoftSoap is that for me, especially when it comes to their hand wash, my skin is very sensitive. So I do have eczema, and for anybody who doesn't know what eczema is, it's just like a skin irritation, and my eczema is like not like that I consistently have it. It's like it definitely comes around in circles. It's like sometimes I think that it'll be there, and then other days like it'll just like go away and stuff. So my eczema is kind of weird, and so a lot of products that I use, I have to be very careful to the way that it might react to my skin. And with this, I don't even have to worry about any of that. Even if my eczema is present, I honestly don't even have to worry about my skin being irritated or any of that. It is just honestly a good product, and just getting started on the product. It definitely moisturizes my skin. It lathers up so well. And so another problem that I tend to have with like body washes is that it doesn't lather enough. Like I really try to give every product the benefit of the doubt, but sometimes when body washes are overly filled with like those little beads or like little flakes of something, or it's just like super perfumey or super like scented, it tends to not do its job as well as like a standard like good body wash. And honestly, guys, before this one and before the body wash that I had before, I would use bar soap. I love black soap, and black soap is honestly like one of my favorite things. But now I only use black soap on my face because black soap is a little pricey. But like I said before, I was using black soap, and so I wanted to find something that was kind of equivalent to that did the job as well as I felt like this product that I end up finding does the job good. And honestly, it does the job so well. And I just want to show you guys, like I've had this for a while and I still have so much. Honestly, And when it says luminous oils, guys, like it hydrates my skin so well. I am very, like, I don't want to say shocked in the way that like I didn't expect it to work this well, but to be completely honest, guys, I did not expect this to work this well. Like, I honestly expected it to do like the bare minimum or do equivalent to how much it cost, and it honestly did more for me than that. And I really do appreciate this product because of that. And also, guys, it smells so good. And this is the thing that I really do love about this product too as well, is that this product has no little beads, no seeds. It's not like super over scented. It's not gonna like consistently like, it's not a consistent like, oh my goodness, it's in my face type of product. It really honestly does everything that I need it to do. It smells so good. I really can't stress enough how much I love this product. And I love like the fact that it's like peony, but it's like luminous oils. And I'm a big sucker when people market their products good, and this is like a well marketed product to me. I love the way the bottle is shaped. And something else that is cool, guys, my shower is really small, and so it's really hard for me to like stand up body washes and shampoos and things such as that in my shower. But I don't even have to worry about it when it comes to this, because the bottom is so slim that like it really will stay on there. So that is like something that I honestly don't even have to worry about. And for that, I really do love this product. Like, I've stated multiple times. But guys, this is just the SoftSoap, one of the best brands, inexpensive. Luminous oil, macadamia oil, and peony body wash. And I definitely suggest getting this.